if you feel that buffalo lump on your back, if you feel puffiness on your face, if you get easily bruises, or if you have purple stretch marks, then these can be the symptom of high cortisol in the body. Cortisol isn't stress hormone, and actually we need it to survive. We need cortisol because whenever we are in stress, cortisol kicks up and we get that extra energy, extra power, and we function at our optimum because of cortisol. But it is only for a short period of time. If cortisol will be higher for long period of time, then this can be dangerous for our body. How it can be dangerous, what symptoms there can be, and how to lower the cortisol level without any chemicals, I'll try to explain you in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First, what are the symptoms of high cortisol? See, mainly what happens if a person is getting more cortisol in the body, then the fat deposition is not going to be even and the skin is going to suffer. Skin can be more oily. Blood vessels underneath the skin are going to be thin and are going to be easily exposed because the outer layering of the blood vessel that provides the protection, that's the skin, it's going to be thin. Why it's happening? Because of the breakdown of the collagen in the body. That's why skin is going to suffer and body is going to make more oil to protect it. That's why many times in elderly people, we see acne. Everything was good and suddenly a person gets acne in his mid-age. Why? It happens because of cortisol. Because now your body has started producing more oil and this can cause acne. And because of the weakening of the collagen in the body, it will be very easy to get stretch marks. These stretch marks are going to be purple in color and they are going to be wider. These stretch marks will be more on the abdominal area, on the thighs, or on the flanks. Because your skin is getting breakdown very easily with little bit of work, little bit of stretch, it is getting breakdown and that's why it's causing the stretch marks, the purple stretch mark. Bruising will be very easy because the skin is thin and blood vessels are also thin and they are more exposed. That's why you are getting bruises and there will be no proper accumulation of the fat in the body. So the person will have lots of fat in the abdomen. The collection of the fat will be in the abdomen area while the hands and the legs will be thin. If this is the frame, then this can be because of high cortisol in the body. Or deposition of fat will start in the upper part of the body. That's on the base of the neck, causing buffalo hump. Even can be seen on the face also. See, these are also the symptoms whichever I have talked, but they are not so common. These happens when the cortisol level is high for extreme period of time. Then these happens. But what happens in the starting? In the starting phase, a person starts getting more anxious, gets easily frustrated, is emotionally stressed or emotionally flat. Why it's happening? It's because of the cortisol. And many people suffer from this. It's just lack of information. Even high level of cortisol can cause sleeplessness or you are not going to get into deep sleep. Deep sleep will be very less or even can cause insomnia. Why? Because see, this cortisol is a stress hormone. It keeps you awake. Its function is to keep you restless. But if it will be high, then what's going to happen? At night also, you will be alert and you will have all these symptoms. But how our body works? Throughout the day, there is a certain level of cortisol, but at night, cortisol levels, they drop down. But if you are having high level of cortisol at night also, then you are going to have all these symptoms. Even because of so much stress, so much alertness, you will feel weakness, muscle weakness you will feel. It will be hard for you to stand also. You'll feel there is no power in your body. These all are the symptoms of high cortisol. Now, what causes the spike in cortisol? If you are in stress for a very long period of time, it's like chronic stress, then this is going to increase your cortisol level. If you are in constant pain because of any disease or because of any trauma and you're not able to even sleep at night, it hurts, it pains, and this can also cause high cortisol levels in the body. Uncontrolled diabetes, overconsumption of alcohol, major depression, obesity, these things are the major culprit of high level of cortisol. Your diet is going to play a crucial role. You want to balance your cortisol. And yes, there are some diseases also. For example, Cushing syndrome can cause high level of cortisol, or because of the use of corticosteroids for the treatment purpose, this can also cause high level of cortisol. Now, what is the treatment? If it's pathological, it's Cushing syndrome, or it's because of diabetes or any other reason, then you have to treat that underlying condition and your cortisol levels will return to normal. But if it's not pathological, then it's because of obesity, it's because of stress and all these issues. Then among the herbs that can be very helpful is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is very powerful. It's going to balance your body. It's going to balance your cortisol levels also. Start using ashwagandha. It will be helpful. Ashwagandha, I always recommend in the powder form. Start with half teaspoon 2 times in a day. Empty stomach or 30 minutes after your meal as you are comfortable, and use it for 10 to 15 days. If you are comfortable with half teaspoon 2 times in a day, then go with 1 teaspoon 2 times in a day. How long to take? You should be taking it for 2 to 3 months. Then there should be a gap of at least 1 month or 45 days. And then again, you can start using ashwagandha. Ashwagandha should not be consumed if temperature is too hot. Second thing that's going to help you a lot is magnesium. Magnesium is very powerful. It relaxes our body. It helps in faster recovery. It helps us to get that deep sleep. Magnesium, you have to take only magnesium glycinate or magnesium biglycinate. Those should be 400 to 800 milligrams 1 hour before your sleep at night. Only one time it has to be taken, and that too at night. Magnesium you can take for 2 months and then have a gap of at least 30 days, and then again you can continue. These are my general recommendations. Now the third and the most powerful one is breathing exercises. They are going to balance your body. They are going to reduce your stress levels. They will improve your reaction to the stress. You are not going to be too stressed in any of the conditions. So start doing any kind of breathing exercises that you like. What I can recommend is Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. You can start with these two. These are the basic. They are not so complicated. You can do it just for a minute every day, but do them every single day. These are just my 2 recommendations. The internet is full of different kind of breathing exercises. Try to find which suits you well. But what I want to say is do breathing exercises every single day. This works better than medicine actually. Stretching, yoga practices are going to be awesome. They are going to improve the quality of your life. They're not just going to reduce the cortisol level, but they are going to help you to live a healthy and a happier life. So start doing stretching, yoga exercises. These things will improve your health, will improve the quality of your life. And the last one is the most basic one, but it is most effective. That's your regime of the day. Try to sleep on time. Try to wake up on time. Fix a particular time that at this time you are going to go to bed without any gadgets, and go to sleep on the same time every single day. This will be very, very beneficial. It sounds very basic, but it is a game changer. Just simple things. Just correcting your lifestyle is going to help you a lot. So go with that. These things will do magic in your life. So these are my simple recommendations. I hope this video was interesting for you. Do pass this information to the person who needs it. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.